Hi!
So, what's been going on? What's this next big thing?
Oh, ST40!
Yeah.
That's the next big
Wow.
thing. There's a massive buzz going on at the moment. Egger have brought out a brand new texture. You know, they've been building this up quite a lot. And they invited us up to Egger in Hexham. Yeah, they brought out this new texture and I think we're a bit blown away.
Yeah. I mean, the colours look amazing.
Oh, there's just everything about it. It just
Yeah.
looks unbelievable. Let me show you.
Mm-hmm.
This is the fur green.
Wow, I think that's my favourite.
I know, everybody seems to be banging on about fur green. I know. So, I mean, can you see this?
Yeah, they need to be able to see that.
I'm gonna go in and see if you can see this at all. So,
Hopefully.
if you can, you will have noticed ST40 has a lot of high matte levels in there. It sort of gives you that really premium, high-end painted oak finish.
Yeah.
So the matte levels are quite significant because it gives you almost that sort of Farrow and Ball effect, that really high-end matte effect. And it just looks absolutely...
And it feels amazing.
And it feels amazing. ST40 joins the ST19 and the ST12s in the brand new texture meets colour.
Mm-hmm.
And basically, they've got rid of the ST27 and the ST... I know, chaos in the furniture world. Yeah, they've got rid of the ST27 and the ST38. Now, it's being phased out. Don't worry. It's being phased out. It's not quite there yet. But towards the end of this year, ST27 is... It's going. I know. Tears away.
Miss them.
I know. And ST27 was so popular. And it is so popular, but they are replacing it with this. So I'm going to interject because we do get a lot of questions about the difference of colour palette between ST27 and ST40. The new texture meets colour is a brand new colour palette and you won't have the same colours available to you as the old. So yes, the new ST40 is replacing ST27, but you are going to have a different colour palette. The great thing about it is it doesn't cost any more money.
I was going to ask the important question.
It is. So this ST40, guys, is the same price as the ST27.
You wouldn't expect it with
No,
how this
well,
looks.
I know,
With how this
exactly.
looks and the quality of it.
Where, so I'm really pleased and excited
Yeah.
because this, it looks like, it looks so silky, it looks so amazing. And the colour palette, we've got 14 colours in stock. All will be available with the ST40 texture. And next year, when Egger bring out their brand new collection, which I'm so excited about, they are going to be bringing out some wood grains with the ST40 texture, which I've had a sneak peek. Don't tell anyone. And I could not actually believe that it was not a veneer. So yeah, it's massive, like, you know, with obviously the brand new ST40 collection on the uni colours and with the wood grains coming out as well. Oh, I'm really excited. It's going to be a big year. I mean, it's going to be a lot going on.
I can tell so
And
much is happening.
this really is the next big thing.
I think so.
I think so too. So yeah, that's it. Hope you like the little bit of intel.
I need to get me some of it.
Yeah!
I'm gonna go get me some.
Yeah!
Bye.
Next meeting! Has a much more... Say that one again.
A little bit, yeah.
Am I looking at the camera?
No.
I'm actually sweating.
It's fine, we can cut this out.
Can we do that one more time?
Yeah,
Walk
yeah,
in.
yeah.
Walk in. I feel like I'm getting settled now.
Yeah, yeah.
You've done this before. You were cool with this. You've seen it on social media. I just have to... Okay.